we have developed a climate annex as part of the ecosystem restoration standard because we realize that many people are looking into climate change mitigation as nature-based solutions, and we realize that there's a big potential for that, both for making people able to make claims on their efforts on climate change mitigation, which is key these days, as we know, but also for connecting them to, or having them looking into their potential for moving forward for carbon projects as such, connecting with different types of standards that are focusing on carbon, on specific carbon credits. So we're not delivering carbon credits ourselves in the standard, but we're checking the main technical aspects in any carbon projects, including baseline, additionality, leakage, all these things that allow projects to understand if it's worth for them making it to the next step, to a full carbon project, which has a lot of other settings and specificities, or if they're fine at that stage showing that they have climate positive effects. So that's what we wanted to add with this standard. Building bridges with other systems, and having the project themselves checking and allowing them to make claims on their benefits towards climate change mitigation or adaptation. No tool can be the one single tool, and we realize that ourselves. We are very strong in auditing. We've been having a lot of experience in bringing sustainability through accountability, but we don't own the whole set of tools. So we are very much looking into collaborating with different organizations. We're part of the Society for Ecological Restoration. We are leading the monitoring group in the WRI 20 by 20 initiative in Latin America. We are joining the UN Decade, the Africa 100 in Africa as well, and we're also working with the FAO to bring our bid to a successful UN Decade through our standard, through field verification, and the tools that we are providing. So we are helping to create that knowledge, and we see that's being successful. We're seeing, for example, we were very much pushing for including social aspects into restoration projects as one of the main things that we have to consider and take into account for successful projects. And there is different initiatives in which we are participating as well. One of the main that is great that we're seeing is the development of the UN Decade standards of practice for ecological restoration, for ecosystem restoration in reality, which will be guiding principles, will be a guidance document for projects. And we're seeing, as part of our contribution as well, lots of these new components added to these guiding principles, including the social components. So that's great to see. We still want to provide a certification system that, on top of that guidance, allows projects to demonstrate through auditing and specific detailed accountability what they're doing and what they're missing, to seek for further resources. That's one thing that we still want, but we realize that the knowledge is created by the whole community, and as part of that, we really want to put our bit and help supporting what other organizations are doing, as other organizations have supported us to build our standards.